Hello everybody, are you ready for play toys? Today we have a cupcake tower. Play-Doh Sweet Shoppy by Hasbro. Lots of molds and colors of Play-Doh. Let's get started. We have instructions, Play-Doh, the cake tower, lots of molds with some pink Play-Doh. I'll put in the cupcake mold. Press, really nice. Take the excess. What a great cupcake! From the green Play-Doh Plus. When it's plus, it's very soft and it's perfect for extruders. Here we go! What a lovely green frosting! And let's top up this cake with some teddy bear. What a cute little teddy bear! To finish off our yummy cake. Yum yum! With some brown Play-Doh, we're going to make the base of a cupcake. Push with your finger, and here is a wonderful base. What topping shall we put on? Put some yellow Play-Doh, press well, and pull. Wow! Wow! Look at this ribbon! Isn't that a great ribbony frosting? From a pink Play-Doh, let's do the strawberry. This is one pink strawberry. And with some blue Play-Doh, let's make an ocean seashell. Look at this beautiful ocean seashell. Now what a colorful, splendid cupcake. With some blue Play-Doh, let's put it in the base mold. And here is our blue cupcake base. I'm going to top it up with some green frosting. Here we go. A beautiful pink heart. A really cute yellow elephant. A really nice blue star to finish off the cake. Look at this wonderful topping. With some brown Play-Doh, let's do a mixed cupcake. We'll take pink for the top. Put it on the top. And press well. Open, push from the back, and here is our mixed brown and pink cupcake. Now let's do a yellow baby. Here is one yellow baby. Green giraffe. Cute little green giraffe and a blue butterfly. Here is a beautiful blue butterfly. And a green flower biscuit. Yellow ribbon and blue banana cake. Here we go. How about a pink pretzel? Here we go, a pink pretzel. Pink seashell and green turtle. And a really nice green turtle. Now let's decorate the tower. We'll put one cupcake in the middle, another one up front, a dashing pink one with a teddy bear on the very top, and a yummy one right here. We'll fill in with more cakes. Once upon a time, two good friends, Ariel and Rapunzel, two Disney princesses, were walking by a cupcake tower. So delicious! Let's try it, girls. On a pink plate with a spatula, we're going to serve the girls. One green flower cake and one brown biscuit, together with a blue banana cake. Here we go, Ariel. You may enjoy it. And for Rapunzel, we're going to serve one dazzling cupcake. Here we go, a little forky. Please enjoy, Rapunzel. These are so yummy. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.